What's going on, guys? In the last video I forgot to mention that um whatever account you're adding as a deliverer has to be a verified account. So whomever um you're going to add as a deliverer has to have a verified account on Arana, and they can do that by simply um verifying their account on the home page. If they don't know how, they can watch. There's a video that I created on this channel that explains how to verify your account. So you can simply watch that video and verify their account. So once they have a verified account, then you can come over here and add them. If you search them, you'll be able to find them. But if they don't have a verified account, you won't find them when you search for them over here. So yeah, okay. So going forward, um so now I'm going to be showing you okay, I'm going to be showing you some other things you can do as with an entity, as the manager of an entity. So you can come over here. You can also manage your deliverers. So you can come here, and here are some of the things you can do. You can remove the deliverer. You can view all deliveries specifically made by this particular deliverer. You can as well. Okay, hold on, let me talk about something first. So you have the ability to enable and disable your deliverer. So right now, if you notice, they are both disabled. So I'm going to try enabling this deliverer, so you see how it works. So you simply tap proceed, and once you enable them, you can see that it has their status has changed to inactive. So what this simply means is that they haven't, on their own end, in their own profile page and home page rather, they haven't switched on their deliverer status for your entity. So once they do that, it changes to active. So I'm just going to do that, and so you see how it is. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks when um they enable their deliverer status for your entity on their own end. So this is how it's going to look. Just give me a minute. Okay, so once it's done, you also get notified as the manager that this particular deliverer has enabled their deliverer status. So you can see it as active over here. So once it's active, you have a broader option of things to do, of on how to manage that particular deliverer, than when it's disabled. So if you notice, on the disabled end, you have fewer options what to do. So now let me go over here to show you some of the things you can do to manage your deliverer. So you can remove this deliverer. You can as well disable them by tapping here and disabling them. You can come over here to track the particular deliverer. So you simply tap this track button. Once you do that, it opens a map showing you their location. So this is the particular location for the deliverer. So you can tap it to see where they are located. So there's that. Then you also have the option of calling the deliverer. You have the option of, like I said earlier, viewing their specific deliveries that has been made by this specific deliverer. Then you have the option of managing payment. So this is an interesting feature that I'm going to explain right now. So let's go right in. So basically what managing payments means, or if you switch on this automatically pay deliver, what it simply does is it splits the payment for any delivery made by this deliverer by a certain percentage that you have to set. So let me show you how it works. So you come over here and you enable this. Now you have to provide a percentage that the payment will be split by. So for instance, if I put um 10 here, the system is going to understand that you're saying for every delivery made by this particular deliverer, 10% goes to him, then the rest goes to your entity, whatever payment method you have set up. So you can decide to use this feature if um, you want your deliverer to be paid based on the deliveries that they make. So you can come here and set up the percentage split and save it. Once it's saved, every time a deliverer, this particular deliverer completes a delivery, 10% of that delivery will go to them. For instance, if he completes a delivery um that costs 1,000 naira, 100 naira will go over to the deliverer, then 900 goes to you or your entity, and that's basically how it works. So yeah, I think I've covered a lot in this video, so I'm just going to end it here. The next video I'll talk about the rest things like configuring weight limit and configuring work period. So yeah, thank you.